guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Sephora haul because you know your girl can't stay off Sephora's website and I'm always placing orders. So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. I got quite a lot because they sent it in a huge box, so I got quite a lot. And funny thing, they're actually having another sale right now where they're doing, I think, 20% off of the sale section. I just purchased a Natasha Denona palette for like $70 something, which is a good deal. So anyways, I just placed another order. But if you guys are interested in seeing what I ordered this time, please keep on watching. You know I always come through with good stuff. I will have everything listed down in the comments, not in the comments, in the description box below if you guys are interested. And let's get into the video. But before we do that, guys, please don't forget, subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn post notifications on, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, because we always have fun on there. And I will see you in the video. Alright, so let's get started with this humongous box that they arrived. Let me start off by saying the reason why they sent a huge box is because I actually purchased a T3 Smart Straightener. Why? Where is it? You may ask. It's not here because I actually bought it for my sister. My sister's birthday was in November, and the straightener that I bought her originally, it was like a malfunction, is that how you say it? It wasn't working. There was something going on with it, so I returned it. The clamps weren't closing properly, so I returned it, and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy you a new straightener. And I ended up splurging on the T3 Smart Straightener. I'm gonna insert it right here. So it's basically a straightener that it works with, like, depending on like your color of your hair, on how you dye it. It has like an LED touchscreen. It's just like super cute. It's just like the best thing, so they say with the reviews and stuff. So I was like, you know what, my little sister deserves the best, and I am the best big sister, so I bought it for her. So my sister has it now at home, and yeah, she's using it. It is so nice. I'm so jealous. I want one. I wish I got one for myself. But let me tell you, it was expensive. It was so expensive. I told my sister she better protect that straightener with her life. That was like an investment. She better keep that forever and use that straightener. Aside from that, what I picked up was this One Size Beauty Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes. I have heard such good things about these wipes, and I am not into using makeup wipes too often. I use the Green Clean cleansing balm, as you guys know. But there's some days, I know you guys can relate, there are some days where like I'm so lazy, I'm so tired, I was like, I don't want to do all these steps and I don't want to sleep with my makeup on. So I just take one of these. I actually already tried it, and guys, it's amazing. It's really amazing. It is a little oily, I will say. I don't know if there's oil in it. The first ingredient is water. I don't know if there's oil in it, but it does feel like oily, but it takes off everything. Waterproof makeup, anything. So this is amazing, and the cleansing cloths are huge. It's like literally like, it's like this big. Like the cleansing cloth is huge. So I picked it up. It was on sale for $10, plus I got 20% off, so it was like super cheap. So of course I picked up two, and I actually might go pick up more because I'm pretty sure it's in the sale section still, so you'll save quite a bit. So definitely pick these up, guys. If you're into makeup wipes, these are it. These are really it. And it comes with 21 wipes each, so quite a lot. And then I picked up this Nest Birchwood Pine Reed Diffuser. I didn't purchase this, my boyfriend purchased it, so I just put it in the box. My boyfriend asked me to order this for him. He bought this for my mom, and my mom loves diffuser. So my boyfriend was like, can you order one for your mom for me? Because he doesn't know about Sephora. He doesn't go in Sephora. So I ordered it for him, but I just thought I would include it in here because it arrived. But this is so good, guys. Like, it makes the house smell amazing, and the diffuser is pretty strong, so it's totally worth it. It is a little pricey, but totally worth it. Get yourself a Nest diffuser. It will change your life. So I picked up a brush. This is the Sephora Pro 71 concealer brush. I have been on the hunt for a new concealer brush. I have one, and then I typically use my finger, but I wanted a new one, so I picked this one up, and I like this. I like the shape of it. It's like a flat shape, but it's like fluffy at the same time, you know what I mean? So I feel like this will be really nice to pack on my liquid concealer. Look at that. Yes, this is nice. This is nice. That reminds me of the TikTok. You guys know the TikTok that I'm talking about?
Ooh, this is nice.
That's what it reminds me of. I like this. So yes, I picked this up, and you can probably use this for a liquid or a powder. I'll probably be using this for a liquid. I also picked up another brush. This is another Sephora Pro Brush. I love the Sephora Pro brushes. Sephora brushes, the Pro ones, Makeup Forever and MAC are hands down my favorite brushes, like my absolute favorite. But the Sephora Pro ones are really good. This is number 79, so it's a tapered contour brush. So I'm gonna use this for a bronzer because I love how tapered it is. Even though it says it's for contour, you don't always have to stick to what it says. So I'm using this for a bronzer because I like something a little bit tighter when it comes to a bronzer. Then I picked up another brush. This is another Sephora Pro brush, and this is a bronzer brush. This is in the number 80. As you can see, it's bigger. I'm thinking I might return this. That's why I ordered two, because I didn't know which one I would like better. Because this one just looks really big. This is what it looks like. She's looking a little too big, and I feel like if the brush is too big on a bronzer, it might make it look muddy. So I'm not sure about this one. This one might have to go. I might just stick to the 79. Picked up this Sephora Collection. A lot of Sephora Collection in this order. I picked up another Sephora Collection item. This is a dual head facial massager. Let me just open it up for you guys. This is what it looks like. Wow, it's pretty heavy. It looks like this. It has these like two like spheres here to just roll on my face. I shouldn't put it on my face because I have makeup on, but that feels nice and it's so cooling. I'm just like picturing it like going up my face. It probably feels so good. I love using like a gua sha, using like a jade roller. Like I use all those things at nighttime. So now I was like, you know what? Let me just incorporate something new. This feels really nice already. Even just down here on my neck, it feels nice. As you guys know, I do have a TMJ problem on my jaw from my accident. So I'm always like looking for things like this to kind of like help alleviate it and help massage it. So I'm excited to use this and try it out. I'm probably gonna use this tonight. I picked up another ABH Brow Freeze. I already opened it and started using it. I couldn't wait because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with brow lamination now. I actually do get my brows laminated, and then in between I start using the ABH Brow Freeze to hold my brows in place. This has been my new go-to brow style. I don't know if you guys have noticed the little switch up that I've done on my brows in my videos. I'm obsessed with the laminated brow. Like laminated brow is the way to go for me. So I restocked up on another one because this is the best brow wax that you could find out there, hands down. None other than the Kayali Vanilla Perfume. Guys, this has been the talk on TikTok. Hey, that sounds catchy. The talk on TikTok. That sounds catchy. This has been the talk on TikTok. Everybody has been talking about this. This has been sold out for so long, and every single time it restocks like that, it is sold out again. So I ordered it, and I ordered it in the 100 milliliter size. Like, who told me to buy such a big size? I don't know. I wish I ordered the smaller one because this is pricey. Perfumes are pricey, and I have tons of perfumes. Like, as you guys know, I have tons. But I was like, you know what? Let me add another one. This has Vanilla Orchid, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. The musk is what's throwing me off. The musk is kind of like, I don't know. I don't really like musky scents. I like very, very sweet. This is what the bottle looks like. Pretty cute packaging too. Kind of reminds me of like Chanel in a way. Yeah. Comment down below if you guys agree. I feel like it looks like Chanel's packaging in a way. But this is what it looks like. It smells very sweet, hands down. Very sweet, like vanilla. But I do smell that musk scent that they're saying. Let's spray a little. I said a little, 10 sprays later. Okay, so it smells pretty sweet. It smells really good, but it does have like a very strong musk scent at the end. I don't know how I feel about it, guys. I don't know how I feel about it. I love the sweet scent. Like, it's so sweet at first, like when you first smell it, but then like it turns into like this very like musky, like cologne almost scent. I don't know. I need to think about it. I need to, you know how it is when you first get perfumes, you kind of gotta like work your way into them. I gotta like wear it a little bit more, vibe out to it, see how I feel. My boyfriend's about to be home any second now, so I'm gonna see like his reaction to it. Maybe I'll get his reaction when he walks in, if he comes in time. But I don't know. I don't know. Comment down below. Have you guys tried this before? What are your guys' thoughts on it? Do you guys love it? Do you guys hate it? What are your thoughts? The last thing that I purchased was this perfume or cologne. This is the YSL La Nuit de l'Homme. I believe that's how you say it, Eau de Parfum. I got this in the 100 milliliter size. I got this for my boyfriend, of course. I don't wear cologne, but I got this for my boyfriend because he has been running out, and I don't know, I feel like, comment down below if you guys feel like you guys can relate, but I feel like, you know, as like my man's girl, I feel like it's my job to always make sure he has like cologne, boxers, socks, like those 3 things I feel like are my department. Like I feel like I'm always making sure he has them. Anytime I see him like running low on cologne or like boxers or socks, I'm always like, oh, gotta get you new ones. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's something my mom has done, like instilled. I've always seen, as like growing up with my parents, my mom has always like bought my dad like his boxers, his socks, his pajamas, his cologne. And of course my mom buys my dad other stuff. They buy each other things, but like those are the things I've always seen my mom like randomly buy. Anytime we're out, my mom will like stop and be like, oh, your dad needs boxers, or your dad needs socks, or your dad needs cologne. Like it doesn't need to be an occasion. My mom just randomly gets it. So I feel like that has like instilled with me like since my childhood. So now, like, you know, with my boyfriend, I'm just like same way. Like anytime he runs low on anything with like cologne or boxers or socks, I'm just like, let me go pick him up. So picked up another cologne. Gave you guys a little backstory with it, but this is the cologne. He loves this cologne. It smells really good. I bought him this like maybe last year, and it just finished, so it lasted him like a year. And I got him the smaller version last year, actually. So this should last him a lot longer. So he really likes this. I love this. It smells so good. All right, so that is the end of my video. That is everything I purchased. I will have everything down in the description box below, like always, in case you guys are interested in anything. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.